Hey everyone, so you guys see the time, it's 12:33 in the morning, and well, 34 now. I wanted to give you guys a quick nail room tour of like before how my nail room is because I'm about to switch it up for you guys because I need a whole new change up now. But really quick, the door's behind me. Here is like my little clock, and then I got my content wall on things I'm gonna do. A little couple of snacks, and normally I have water up here, little bottles of water. But let me show you on this side where my actual business and desk is set up, and I'll come back to the side. So in combination, my room covers my nail suite plus my business. So all this is my press-on business, my boxes, and all that. But here's this little section right here is what I use. All these are soak-off bowls that I have to clean now. This is my needs to be clean bucket. So all my implements I'll take out and dump them in here, which I'm about to do in a minute because I have some of my desk I need to clean. These are all the ones that have been cleaned. And once I clean them, I put them in here, and then I begin to make my disinfectant. Sometimes I have it done before, and I just take it from here after I clean them and put them in there. But this right here is if I don't have time to put in a disinfectant, I put it in here, which you don't have to have both of them. I just do it. I don't know why. And of course, I have my little timer, my little tongs. And see, I already have disinfectant made at my timer ready because I have some on my desk that needs to be cleaned before tonight is over, and then I can go get ready for bed and all that. These are the towels that I lay them on. I did another soak off, of course, and I used like the rocks in the glass, which is this one I'm switching to now. And I gotta clean that. But y'all, this is all my Okay, sorry, the phone cut off. So I'm coming in at the door area, and over here is my little sign. Make sure you sign off your thing. And this is my cleaning log. And these are the consultation forms they have to fill out because I haven't got it connected to my what is it called? My site yet for them to fill it out beforehand before they come. So over here, this is like my little makeshift pedicure area, and I hope it's not too much of a glare. This little chair that I actually bought. And then I bought a cushion to make it higher, but all this is going to be changed, you guys. That's why I'm doing this beforehand. And then, of course, my trash can for this area, which I need to dump as well. And those are my extra little, it's actual liners for a foot tub, but I actually put a cloth over here and then put the liner over the thing as well. So this right here just helps my client get up. That's foot scrub because, you know, I'm about to start doing wet pedicures. I don't do them right now, but I'm about to. That's why everything is going to change. Those are little stools that I had originally down here, but they're too weak, so I changed them. This right here is the entire little pedicure things I have, which I got to take them gloves from down there and put them back into the cabinet. This lighting is kind of horrible. So that's LED light, and I have not cleaned up, guys. I just, kind of said, let me hurry up and get this video done. These are little things I use, one per client. So basically I will, oh goodness, come on, let me put this up a little bit. So basically, one of these right here, one of these, and that sits there. Open it up, put it in here so my implements are not everywhere. I open this pack up, put them in there, and I begin to work. Once I'm finished, everything in here goes down there to that disinfectant cup, which is one that I have to pull out and dump into my thing so I can clean them first thing in the morning. But I have plenty of things or whatever. Anyway, so then once I do that, I just basically clean the basket out with Barbicide. Take these to go down there, and whatever needs to go in trash, go in trash. All right, I don't have no clients for nails tomorrow. For toes tomorrow, so we're just going to go ahead and put that back over there. All right, that's the drill I use over here. That's the plug I use for all these little things over here. My license on the wall, my certificate on the wall, my aprons on the wall. This is my soil linen container. Push it on down because I got to wash all those. But, you put, well, in my state, you have to have this. This right here is my little cubby for over here. This is going to stay, but it's going to be having different things in it. This is like my little portable vacuum where I dust down my shelves and stuff. Of course, you want shop towels. These are my clean linen. A bunch of scrubs and my bibs and my cotton balls and a bunch of little stuff. But all this, I just kind of want to run you guys through this because all of this is about to change as well. And this is my cleaning supplies, hand sanitizer, water for like when I'm doing water slide decals and stickers and stuff like that. Acetone and cleaning things are down there. But that, like I said, everything's going to change. That's my TV. I'm going to get the TV on the wall. My price list, that's changing as well. So everything, a lot of things are changing. All this, everything's going to change. This is what I keep my acrylic at currently. All this acrylic. You remember, guys, we did the review on this one and on this one. But, of course, y'all know. That's what I go for, young nails. And these are all my powders, my glow-in-the-dark, and my pigment powders. The big old things of rhinestones. Y'all, glitters. My O2 nail printer, which I rarely use, and I'm very upset because that cartridge that come with it does not print out 350 nails, which gets on my nerve, and that cartridge is $80. This is some more little stuff, and these are lash supplies, but I bought that originally for my best friend, and she hasn't used it, so I just threw it in there so I can have somewhere to put it. And, you know, this is the drill, the e-file, and the extra airbrush that I reviewed. Oh, this is some, y'all know the foils. Those are some glitters in that box down there as well. This is supposed to be over there because that's part of taking off nails. Those are all my client little things. These are all the markers, nail art markers. Y'all know the vibes when you want to write on nails, but I just normally use my pot polishes. I'm trying to get better. Go ahead. Okay. Alrighty. So more polish. This little polish, well, y'all, I tried. And I made this as well, y'all. But polish. Like I said, everything's on change. These are all nail tips down here, from here. This is just extra storage. I bought this right here. I'm going to start using that instead of my little towels that's in that closet when I'm using acrylic. Right here is a box of alcohol. I hope I'm not giving y'all the shakes or anything. Let's see. These two containers right here. These things over here. These are my nylon brushes. These are pushers. Pushers and cuticle pushers in there. And then these are clippers, nippers, and scissors. And I haven't put anything in this one yet. All right, more polish. This is a little acrylic thing. Has foil in it. My 2 backup battery packs that I use that I keep charged up. Oh, not much up there. More polish, and this is the liner polishes that I use. Back there is a box full of brushes. Let's brushes off. So set that back. Down there are all the giveaway items, you know, all the cheap little products that I opened and reviewed and stuff. So this right there. Down here is miscellaneous stuff. Some more of the little things that I bought. And, oh, goodness. Under there is polishes and swatches and things like that. Hold on, let me pick this up. All right, right here is another bowl for soak-offs. So let's go to my desk. This is not going to change too much. It's going to change a little bit, but not too much. The main thing is that these are going to have the plastic protectors on it. That's about it. My client's little phone holder. Let's see. This is what I was telling you about. The needs to be disinfected. Monomer acetone is in there. And some other little stuff. But you get more in detail once I some lotion, sanitizer, mints. This is a little thing I bought off of Temu, and I like double taped it to the back of my light so that my client and I can use it if we need it. This right here is all my brushes because I'm on that side. On my side. All right, so drill, acrylic in here, primer, bits, dehydrator. These are all my actual brushes. I use my acrylic brushes, and these are all the brushes that I actually use on the daily, or the ones that are just open. This is all files and drill bits in here. And this right here is my container of sanding bands. I have 2, one for my toe side and one for my nail side. This is my nail side. That's my cordless lamp, and that's trash can right there. These are the bits for that. My pouches, sanitizer pouches. Those are some mini lamps and stuff like that. Some more mini lamps over here. All right, y'all. These are stickers as well. I gotta put up that I already showed y'all. But yeah, so we come back over here, and that's my area for my business. And oh, let me slow it down because I don't want to make y'all dizzy. So all of this will be changed, and this is how I record. That little white thing right there is what I've been using to record, and I just pull it down, and it's awful. but it's going to be a better setup. And over here it's starting to get into my actual office area, and we're doing a review on that. All right, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and be on the lookout for the new video of how this is going to turn out. I gotta go. I'm tired, y'all. I gotta clean up, and I still gotta do all this stuff. So let me go do that, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.